Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to see orange peel face pack. Take some orange peel and cut it into pieces. Use raw milk to make it as a pack. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey. This pack helps to remove the tan. It helps to give bright and glowing skin. Use twice in a week for best results. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.